Babyliss FX clippers, whether rose gold, gold, or black, will come with this little white cam follower included. And if you ever wonder what the heck that's for, that's a replacement cam follower for when yours starts to wear out. How do you know when your cam follower is wearing out? It starts to get loud, starts to make that irritating noise because the rotary motor feeds into this cam follower, and after some time it'll start to wear it down, and once it starts getting worn down, it starts to make that awful noise. So this will be in a little plastic bag included with your machine. Take it out of the bag. You will also get a Phillips Babyliss style screwdriver to remove your blade, which is great. I like my screwdriver better, so I'm going to use my Phillips screwdriver. Hold the blade down firmly as you take the screws out, because there is a spring under there which is creating tension between your cutting blade and your stationary blade. So you can see there, if you don't keep tension on that, that'll come bouncing out on you. You can take your moving blade out, and your cam follower is in there on the spring. Put your new cam follower in, just feed the spring into those two little holes, just like that. Take your cutting blade, slide it in there like that. Stationary blade, everything, hold it down so it doesn't go popping out. Get the first turn of your screw in there so that everything stays in place, and then you can start to gap it as you so desire. When it comes to gapping or zero gapping, I just eyeball it. I mean, I can move it still a little bit, it's not fully tight. I leave a little bit of space there between the cutting blade and the stationary blade, and then I will tighten loosely, and then a little bit more, and then a little bit more, back and forth, double check, and quieter. Much quieter. It's nice of Babyliss to include that. Other manufacturers I haven't seen include a cam follower. So if it starts to get loud, do that little trick to quiet down your machine.